Here we go, little threaded sucker. I'm going to seal you. I'm going to seal you and I'm going to navigate past the coffee cup, past the milk bottle, past the wallet, past the swim goggles, past the array of pens, and gotcha. Hold sealed. Surgery a success. Oh, hi! I didn't see you there. My name's Ilana and I'm from VetPrac. And if doing abdominal surgery sometimes feels like looking through your handbag, then I'd like to suggest you attend our laparoscopic surgery workshop on February 7th, 8th and 9th at the University of Queensland in Gatton, 2020. The workshop's going to cover some really great things and be led by the wonderful Dr. Brenton Chambers. Because most of the time when we do an abdominal surgery, it's pretty straightforward and we find exactly what we're looking for. But sometimes we have to get around some obstacles, like coagulopathies, or we don't want to do a fully invasive procedure to do something as simple as a gastropexy or a spay. I mean, technology being what it is these days, why do we need such large incisions? Anyway, apart from clients asking for it a lot of the time, it's the way the world's going. But even more so than that, having a scope means that you won't be as surprised when you're doing procedures. I mean, like I said, sometimes it's what you want. But sometimes you're looking around and something unusual happens. Then you can convert to open and use the scope, illumination, magnification, and the equipment to help you manage the problem. It can be much better and, while surprising, not nearly as scary. So, if you're interested in that sort of thing, book before Christmas and come along to the laparoscopic workshop in Gatton, February 7th, 8th and 9th. Bye.